Module 120, we will discuss emerging trends or emerging issues for the teaching profession. Teachers definitely are playing the important role in the society, and they are key actors in creating context of the learning. Teachers create the environment. Teachers motivate the students. Teacher develops the personality, and he creates the environment and the situations. Therefore, the teachers and the classroom teachers, the classrooms, the schools, and the institutions, etc., uh, they need to be reformed. They because they are facing the challenges, they are facing the new trends, international trends, global trends. That's why we have to take care of these trends, how to address those trends, how to make ourselves well equipped to face those challenges. And among them, number one is preparing students for their future. This is the challenge. This is not the challenges of the 21st century. This has been the challenge from first day of the first school, first educational institutions, once it is established in this world. So the teachers were supposed to prepare the students for the future challenges or the future. But with the passage of time, future needs, for example, now the technology is one of the challenges. If the one is not competent in the or aware and having basic skill in the technology, one cannot success. If you go to the advanced countries, you will find everything internet based through the technology. Otherwise nobody will be supporting you. So therefore, in order to keep updated, you need to be fully prepared for the future, and you have to prepare your future students for the future challenges, making educational change happen. Unfortunately, when there is a change in the system, in the country, in the institution, and there is always a reaction, there is always a unacceptability of the change. And if we want to transform the school, if we want to bring the schools with a new vision and mission, then we have to accept the change and make the change happen in our schools, in our teachers. If the teachers thinks that I am full of like a jug is filled with the water, then there is no chance of the improvement. So we have to accept the challenge, and we have to revise ourselves, keep ourselves updated what the new trends and the new challenges are coming up. Implementation of the reforms. With the passage of time, every system, every government, schools, etc., different policies and the plans and the reforms are being announced. And so there are different challenges in implementing the reforms. For example, lack of the resources, lack of the trainings, lack of the commitment, lack of the vision, etc. So the implementation of reforms in education programs or in the teaching, in the teaching as a field, is one of the issues or the challenge, or a new trend, and that we have to accept, because with the advent of the technology, new trends are affecting from one corner of the world to the other corner of the world. Therefore, while sitting in Lahore, in Karachi, in Islamabad, in Peshawar, in Quetta, you will feel that you are in the global village. With one click of your smartphone, you will have access of the abundant audio, video, print, written material. Therefore, the new trends are badly, either positively or negatively affecting you. For the professional development, there are four trends. Number one is the rise of the online training and the MOOCs. MOOCs stand for a massive open online course. So you will find there are different organizations, they are offering online courses. You would find long list according to your need, according to your choice, according to your time suitability. So this is one rise of as a rising trend in the in training, online training. You can find online training synchronous. You can have interactions at a time with machine based learning, individual based learning, teacher focused learning, teacher supported learning. And the second one is growth area, that's mental health and well being training for the teachers. These are important aspects considered globally, that if the teacher is not trained in these things, in these both aspects, he can't deliver efficiently to in the school or in the class. Fresh idea, return to the investment perspective. Education and the training is considered as an investment. If you invest more on yourself, you would be more productive. So this is also the new idea coming up from the advanced countries. Emerging trend, there's a personalized training. One should not wait longer that the organization, government, province, city should call you for the training, or any international donor should come forward and invite you for the training or provide you the facility of the trainings. But you should have an individualized, your own. You should assess yourself, what are the deficiencies in you and how can you improve, and you can find ample opportunities of having individualized or a personal type of the training. We can say the teachers, with the emerging trends or emerging issues, the teaching profession has been under the continuous challenge, and therefore we have to we need to reform, we need to create more opportunities, we need to be more prepared to face those challenges, and with these kind of the competencies and the readinesses, we can deliver better in the teaching profession.